So we're down here south of Lafayette. We are turning this old riding arena into a shop. There were two big viewing windows on this west-facing wall. A viewing window for a riding arena allows proper ventilation with all the sand floors in there, and it also provides light for the riders. Now, with a full interior and insulated walls, we don't want that. That will allow drafts, moisture, critters, everything to get into those. So what we did is, you can see we removed those doors. We removed the excess framing, we removed all the trim, we removed the old steel. Once that was all done, we framed up over where those doors were hanging, and we installed new steel all the way down from where the door started to where the door ended, so that our building is nice and tight and weather secure.
If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more post-frame content. Thanks for watching, and always remember, build with confidence.